Imagine stepping through your front door and feeling an instant sense of calm sunlight filters through soft linen curtains. Gentle music hums in the background, and everything around you feels balanced, modern, and warm. That's the essence of home design in 2025. It's no longer just about style. It's about emotion, experience, and the story your space tells. Every color, texture, and piece of furniture has a purpose. It's the year where modern minimalism meets cozy authenticity, where technology blends seamlessly with nature, and where your home becomes a reflection of peace, creativity, and personal meaning. Welcome to my channel. If you're passionate about beautiful interiors, inspired design, and the magic of transforming your space, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the top home decor trends for 2025, trends that are redefining how we live, what we value, and how our homes make us feel. This is more than a trend list. It's a roadmap for creating your dream sanctuary. So settle in, grab a cup of coffee, and let's explore how design in 2025 is changing the way we live and love our homes. Homes this year are embracing simplicity with warmth. Minimalism has evolved on are the cold, empty rooms of the past. Now, minimalism has heart. It's about spaces that feel calm yet alive, modern yet soulful. Imagine walls in soft cream tones, light wood flooring, a linen sofa with organic shapes, and a hand-woven rug that feels as natural as it looks. There's beauty in the quiet and the details that don't scream for attention but make you feel at ease. Designers call it emotional minimalism, where less isn't empty, it's intentional. Nature is the muse for 2025. Homes are being grounded in earth-inspired tones that reconnect us to the natural world. Warm browns, clay, olive green, terracotta, and sand are replacing sterile whites and grays. These colors calm the mind and restore balance. Picture a living room with a deep olive accent wall, a terracotta vase filled with dried pampas grass, and oak shelves displaying handmade pottery. The palette feels soothing, rooted and timeless, the kind of space that whispers, not shouts. Curves are transforming interiors everywhere. The age of hard edges and perfect symmetry is fading. Now, it's about soft silhouettes that feel organic and comforting. Curved sofas that wrap around you, arched doorways that add a sense of flow, and circular mirrors that bounce light in gentle ways. Psychologically, curved lines relax the eye, they create movement and comfort. Homes that once felt static now feel alive, sculptural and fluid. Sustainability has moved from a niche concept to a universal priority. 2025 is the year people truly design with the planet in mind. From repurposed furniture and recycled glass to sustainable fabrics like hemp and bamboo, every choice matters. There's something beautiful about giving materials a second life. A reclaimed wood coffee table carries history, character, and purpose. Interior designers say the new luxury isn't about price. It's about principle. A space that's eco-conscious is a space that feels good, not just looks good. Technology, once flashy and futuristic, has become elegantly invisible. Smart homes are no longer about showing off gadgets, they're about seamless living. Hidden charging ports built into furniture, voice-controlled lighting that adjusts to your mood, automated curtains that let in morning light, and energy-efficient systems that make daily life effortless. The best designs are those you don't notice, the ones that make your life smoother without cluttering your space. 2025 is about blending digital convenience with natural design, a balance of innovation and calm. Lighting has become the emotional heartbeat of interiors. Designers now treat lighting like art. Oversized sculptural pendants, glass globes with diffused glow, or organic-shaped lamps made from paper and clay. Light changes the mood, defines texture, and creates intimacy. Imagine dining under a soft amber pendant that makes every meal feel like a special occasion, or a living room bathed in gentle, warm light that instantly relaxes you after a long day. In 2025, lighting isn't just practical, it's poetic. Walls are no longer just backgrounds, they're canvases of texture and depth. Lime wash, Venetian plaster, and hand-brushed finishes are replacing plain paint. These finishes catch the light differently throughout the day, creating subtle movement and character. The tiny imperfections, brushstrokes, uneven tones make the walls feel alive. It's the perfect blend of old-world charm and modern craftsmanship. A textured wall in soft beige or stone gray adds richness without overpowering. The love affair with nature deepens through biophilic design. More than just indoor plants, it's about designing homes that breathe open layouts, big windows, natural airflow, and materials that age gracefully. Picture a bedroom with greenery draping from shelves, filtered sunlight dancing across linen bedding, and the gentle sound of water from a small indoor fountain. Studies show biophilic design reduces stress and boosts creativity. It's design that nourishes your soul. Stone and marble are making luxurious comebacks, but in new, artistic ways. It's no longer just about countertops. We're seeing marble dining tables, stone accent walls, and even carved decor pieces. Travertine, soapstone, and terrazzo are bringing natural drama into interiors. A marble slab table or sculptural stone vase feels timeless, grounding, and beautifully imperfect, proof that nature creates the best art. The fusion of Japanese and Scandinavian design known as Japandai continues to dominate. It's calm, minimal, and balanced. Think neutral tones, clean lines, low furniture, and organic materials. Every object has purpose and beauty. Its design stripped to its essence, peaceful, humble, and refined. Walking into a Japandai-inspired home feels like stepping into a spa, everything intentional, nothing excessive. It's a reminder that peace isn't found in having more, but in needing less. Metal accents are warming up spaces this year. Instead of shiny chrome and cold steel, we're seeing soft brass, brushed gold, and aged bronze. They bring subtle luxury without harshness. A simple brass mirror frame, gold cabinet handles, or bronze floor lamp adds warmth and refinement. Pair them with wood and stone for contrast, it's elegance through restraint. As lifestyles evolve, homes are becoming multifunctional sanctuaries. The dining room doubles as a workspace. A living room becomes a yoga zone by morning and a cozy theater by night. Designers are embracing flexibility with modular furniture, folding walls, and hidden storage. A single piece can now serve multiple purposes: a desk that transforms into a vanity, a sofa that extends into a guest bed. The modern home is adaptable, efficient, and ever-changing, just like life itself. Individuality is back in design. Forget cookie-cutter interiors. 2025 celebrates personality. Homeowners are filling walls with bold art, vibrant colors, and personal treasures. A gallery wall of travel memories, a sculptural chair in a daring hue, or an oversized painting that sparks emotion. It's all about expressing who you are. Designers encourage mixing textures, eras, and influences to tell your unique story. Authenticity is the new trend. Your home, your canvas. The vintage revival is stronger than ever. Mid-century chairs, antique chandeliers, and classic wooden chests are making modern comebacks. But rather than recreating the past, people are reinventing it, pairing old pieces with clean modern lines. A 1970s credenza under a minimalist art piece or a vintage rug in a sleek apartment creates character and contrast. These layers of time make a home feel lived in and loved. For those who crave creativity, maximalism is boldly returning. Rich colors, layered textiles, patterned wallpapers, and eclectic art are filling interiors with life. Maximalism today isn't cluttered, it's curated. It's about mixing the unexpected velvet with rattan, gold frames with rustic pottery, bold color against soft neutrals. It's a joyful rebellion against simplicity, celebrating individuality and fearless design. Homes are now designed for wellness physically and emotionally. In 2025, design meets self-care. Bedrooms feel like retreats, bathrooms resemble spas, and quiet corners encourage mindfulness. Think soft, diffused lighting, natural scents, and gentle textures. Wellness design includes circadian lighting, natural fabrics, and colors that calm your mind. Your home becomes your sanctuary, not just where you live, but where you recharge. touch has become a key part of interior design. Designers are layering textures to create sensory depth: buccal, wool, velvet, stone, clay, and raw wood. The mix of rough and smooth adds emotion and comfort. A matte wall next to glossy ceramics or linen beside leather gives dimension to a space. These tactile contrasts make homes feel alive and deeply human. A darker, moodier palette is captivating designers in 2025. Deep greens, inky blues, and matte charcoals add mystery and drama. When paired with warm wood and soft lighting, dark interiors feel rich and intimate. They make a statement without overwhelming. A navy bedroom or dark kitchen island feels elegant and timeless. It's designed with confidence, bold yet balanced. Handcrafted and artisanal pieces are the crown jewels of 2025 design. Mass production is losing charm as people crave pieces with soul: ceramics molded by hand, woven lampshades, or embroidered cushions. Each imperfection tells a story, and that authenticity is priceless. Supporting artisans not only brings originality into your home, but also connects you to a global culture of craftsmanship. Finally, outdoor living has evolved into an art form. Balconies, patios, and backyards are becoming true extensions of the home. Cozy seating, outdoor rugs, layered lighting, and even small fire pits transform these spaces into year-round sanctuaries. Imagine sipping coffee in the morning sun or reading under twinkling string lights. Outdoor kitchens, natural stone flooring, and weatherproof fabrics make outdoor living practical and luxurious. It's about blurring the lines between inside and out, celebrating every inch of your home. Together, these trends define more than a year, they define a movement. 2025 is about harmony between modern living and human warmth. It's about thoughtful spaces that breathe, evolve, and tell your story. Whether you lean toward serene minimalism or bold self-expression, the key is creating a home that feels authentically you. Trends fade, but comfort, connection, and creativity never go out of style. So tell me, which of these styles speaks to your heart? Are you drawn to the natural calm of earthy minimalism or the energy of colorful maximalism? Maybe you love the craftsmanship of vintage pieces or the innovation of smart design. Share your thoughts below. I'd love to know what inspires your vision for 2025. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more weekly inspiration on modern design, decor ideas, and the latest trends that make your home extraordinary. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay inspired, stay creative, and keep making your home a place that truly tells your story.